Well, Sally, I think the most significant change is one where it's required our organisations to have conversations about some really critical matters that are important to us. So it has forced us to have those conversations. For example, when we decided to use some of this funding to develop a new website, it's forced us to say, how do we want to present ourselves? Will that support our booking system? Why is our booking system important? What is the role of our committee in doing that? It has forced us to have some difficult conversations. In terms of SAGE, it has enabled them to document the hard work that they've been doing, to actually say, this is what we do, to write it all down. And I've never had the opportunity to actually document, well, this is how our garden actually operates, and everyone needs to know how that does. This is how we actually work with volunteers. They've been doing it, but it's enabled them to say, well, what have we been doing? And to be able to articulate it. And with the River of Art, it's enabled them to have, or will enable them to have a conversation about, all right, how have we changed? And what direction are we going into the future? Because it's different from where we've been in the past. So that has given us the capacity to have some critical conversations about what's important to us, and to really put in place some systems and documentation that reflect those difficult conversations and important conversations, really significant conversations that we wouldn't have had if we hadn't had the funding.